Hey guys, so today we're going to be removing the Leo Vince exhaust. Not because I don't like it, but because I have to put the old one back on in order to take my test, my driving test for the endorsement. Yeah, it should be a pretty simple process. I replaced this one like about a month ago, so I don't really remember how to do it, but I guess we'll figure it out. It shouldn't be too hard. All right, let's get started. Step number one, we have to get this spring off. I don't quite remember how I did it last time, but we're just gonna use force this time. This tool came with the exhaust when I first bought it. There you go, just like that. Perfect, that's step one done. All right, so for the next part, over here, we're going to need a size 6 Allen key, one of these bad boys. And then on the other side, I'm using a size 13 millimeter. I don't have like a wrench, so we're gonna use a ratchet, but it should work. So hopefully I got the one back there like stuck in place so it doesn't move. There you go. I'll just loosen that one up. Perfect. I'm just gonna leave it loosened for a bit while we deal with the other one. All right, for the next one, same idea, but instead of a size 6, we're gonna be using a size 5. Sure. Pull this one off, that side off, and then you wiggle the whole thing off, and there you go. That's the exhaust taken off. Oh, it's so dirty. I really need to clean that. Maybe next time. Alright, up next we got our really old and disgusting stock exhaust that nobody likes. And I'm gonna put this back on here. Should just slide in, have that one bolt. Sort of like that. Oh no. We try again. And then they look like 10s. Let's hope I have a 10 millimeter. I have 2. Okay, so only one of them is 10. And the other is a 12. Alright, there's that part. And then the inside of it too. So 10 millimeter on the front over here, and then a 12 on the back. Alright, now I'm going to take a different Allen key. This is a size 4. Just take this off real quick. I found this, and I don't know where it goes. So we're gonna pretend it's not important. Tighten this one with a 12 as well. I don't even think it's on correctly, but I only need it on there for tomorrow, to be honest with you. And it's coming right back off. I don't think that's going anywhere. Alright, so this has a clip right here. It's going to fit right over that. Has another clip over here, but I don't know where that's supposed to go. So we're just not going to worry about it. So this one just has the one. It's the size 4 Allen key. So this is going to slide right in there. That goes down there. Yeah, I'm assuming this one's supposed to go behind it, but it's not. It's not gonna. So we're just gonna leave it without. Oh, that's gonna rattle. I feel like this was definitely an important piece to it. It's only a day. What could go wrong? All right. Now we're gonna give it a quick little start. Oh no, it's so quiet. It's so quiet. Yeah, so that's coming off as soon as I finish the test tomorrow. All right, well, that's all I have for today. I'll make another video putting the good exhaust back on. All right, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and hope to see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.